Hi there, my name is John Giacobbe. I'm a three-time Icon Award-winning agent here out of San Antonio, Texas. This is my KVCore Mastery class. I'm so glad that you stopped by to gain some of this knowledge. If you're like me, I've been with EXP for over 3 years now, and one of the things that I have always wanted to do was dive in and figure out how to really leverage KVCore. I've seen what it can do. I know that it's a very powerful system. It's just configuring that system and figuring out the nitty-gritty of how we can make it your own, or how I could make it my own, was always a challenge for me. So every time I would sit down and start working on KVCore, I would give up, just because it was so confusing to me. So if you're an agent like me and you are thinking about using KVCore, or if you're an EXP agent that is diving into KVCore, is interested in online lead generation, interested in learning how you can leverage the system for search engine optimization, learn how to configure your email drips to know exactly how to target the right message, how to capture leads organically and paid, then this master course that I'm putting together is the place to be. So I'm going to be taking you through in multiple videos here, and there's going to be a few different assignments that you'll have to do to keep things moving forward for you. Of course, if you stick with the program, then I guarantee you by the end of this, you're going to have a beautiful looking KVCore site that's customized how you want it, and you're going to be able to start generating leads and have a pathway to be successful with this program. So I'm looking forward to diving in deep onto KVCore. It's a powerful system that EXP offers all of our agents here, and I want to be able to kind of decodify how you can make the most out of the tools that we already have here at EXP Realty. So I'm really looking forward to this. If I can ever help in any way, if you're interested in EXP or KVCore, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm always available to help anytime I can, and I hope that this program brings you a ton of value and helps you sell a ton of real estate. So John Giacobbe here, San Antonio's top realtor. This is our new YouTube channel, Agent on the Moon, and this is my KVCore Mastery class. Okay, so what are the things that we're going to be covering in this masterclass? So here are the things that you can expect if you stick around with me through this masterclass course on KVCore. So first we're going to start with general setup, a list of items that you'll need to get started. I'm going to break things down step by step, exactly show you what you need to get together to do general setup. This is for somebody that is brand new to KVCore, EXP, you're just getting started with KVCore. This is going to be your step one. Next, we're going to do a custom look and feel. So we're going to take you through and show you exactly how to update your own page, simple tweaks to add your own style. Number three, we're going to customize your message using automated smart campaigns. So I'm going to take you through a deep dive on smart campaigns, show you how they can be structured and how they can be tagged to certain specific leads, and that's going to come in handy as we move through the course. Number four, we're going to dive into creating custom squeeze pages to KVCore. So there's a lot of different options that you have whenever it comes to building custom squeeze pages and targeting different leads, and then you'll be able to sync those up to a certain automation campaign that you could set up in the previous step. We're going to be diving into SEO for KVCore. So this is one that is a huge one. Of course, if you're like me, I'm a huge fan of free leads and generating business on autopilot. So neighborhood SEO for KVCore is something that we're going to dive into. I'm going to show you exactly how to do organic lead generation for specific neighborhoods. Giving your area searches the very best chance to rank. What does a SEO optimized page look like? How do we leverage KVCore's built-in SEO section and actually do some customization with that? I'm going to take you through and show you exactly how to do that. We're going to be diving into blog writing topics, so different topics for ranking, utilizing blogs. So of course Google loves to be able to capture information. So if you're an expert at a certain topic or a certain community, how can you structure your blogs to rank on Google? Of course, we'll show you exactly how to get your website onto the Google Search Console, how to build site structure that ranks on Google, and how you can give your topics the best, or your web pages, your custom pages, the best chance for ranking on Google. We're going to be diving through and we're going to do some exploration on different paid strategies. How can you pay for leads and then actually have a good system for converting those leads? So stick around. Let's get started with section 1. Welcome back. So this is the first section. We're going to start with just the basics. So what I want you to do is let me flip this over so you can see my screen. So as soon as you log into KVCore, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see your dashboard page. And first thing you want to do is take the information that I recommended that you gather, and you're going to go up here in the top right-hand corner. It's going to say right here under My Profile. This is where a lot of the initial work is going to happen for your KVCore site. So first thing you want to do is go to Edit Profile. And from here, you're going to drop in your headshot right here. You're going to punch in your name and any information you have here on your Facebook page, your LinkedIn, any of these social profiles you have. Just get all of this stuff filled out as best you can. You're going to put the bio that I recommended that you put together. You're going to drop it in here in the About Me section, and you're going to create a signature. And now this signature is going to be used for your automated email drip. So it's really important that you get something set up. If you want to, of course, embed a photo here, you can use this photo button to embed a photo, so that way your headshot comes up on each of your emails. It says include signature on all outgoing emails. So it's really important that you just take your time, get all of this stuff filled out. Of course, you're going to find this in the top right-hand corner under My Profile. So just get this all filled out, and I will see you on the next section. Hey guys, welcome back to the KVCore Mastery class. So in this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how to make a custom banner image for your KVCore site. So let me flip the screen over so you can see what this looks like. Okay. Okay, so here you go. This is my KVCore site. You can see here one of the things that really drives attention or people will notice is a custom banner image. So if you don't want to go with the basic banner image, you want to spruce it up a little bit, and you can see in this, I used a photo that was taken by a photographer of mine. Of course, you can, if you have a closing photo, or if you can always put in like a collage of photos, of client success photos, something that shows your face, because this website is all about promoting you as the agent. So you can see that I've been able to customize this banner image using Canva. So I'm going to show you exactly where first you need to go. So if you haven't used Canva, go to canva.com. You can get a free trial on there, which should be enough to get this accomplished. So you can see under the settings section of your KVCore site, right here on the left, there's Web and IDX. Under website settings, you're going to be able to scroll down to this box right here, is upload your own image. It's right under where these canned background images are. So the size of image that you need to be able to upload here is 1600 by 650. Now it's very important that you kind of play with this a little bit, because sometimes, like initially, whenever I was putting it in, it was cutting off my face whenever I was putting it in there. So you can see here, you can go, if you haven't used Canva before, you can download or sign up for a free account here. You're going to go to create a design right here on the homepage, and then you're going to do a custom size. So this was the size of image here on KVCore, 1600 by 650. So you're going to go 1600 by 650, and then you're going to create a new design. So if I was starting from scratch, I would maybe take some of these pictures that I have, or get one of these images that I've used, or just take a picture of yourself. You can, of course, stretch this out. And now when you're doing this, you want to make sure that you leave a little bit of room on the top. So it's about an inch on my screen on the top is going to be enough border space. You may need to play with it a few times to get it down. Of course, you can always put in a collage of photos that you wait. That's a funny one. You could put in a collage of images or client success photos, maybe a bunch of closing photos, and really just play with this. Play with the design here, once you have this down how you want it to look, then of course you can you can download this and just drop it right into KVCore. So if I was using this one, I would download it, and then I would get a download there, and then you can go back to your KVCore site, drop this in right here where it says, you just drag and drop the file. And now one thing for SEO purpose, if you want to retitle this file, before you drop it in, you could always put in, like in my case, I might put John Giacobbe, San Antonio's top realtor banner image, and label the file as that. See, every single file that you upload into your KVCore is going to, Google sees what the file image is called. So you want to make sure you rename that image. And then now what you need to do is just go back and, of course, I won't change this, but once you've uploaded it, it's going to show up here within this background images up at the top. And then you're just going to select that one, save it, and then you can go back to your KVCore page, just refresh it, and then you'll be able to see your new and brand new banner image uploaded there. You can see the dimensions. Of course, it's going to look a little bit different on your phone than it is on KVCore, but this should kind of give you point in the right direction. Use Canva, make a custom size under creative design, 1600 by 650. Make sure you leave about an inch of space up at the top to give room here for these icons here. Of course, if you put your image all the way up to the top, then you may it may be harder to read some of these things up here at the top. So just play with it, see what looks best, and then I will, of course, I will see you on the next video. Okay, welcome back. Okay, so in this next section, I'm going to show you exactly where to put in those reviews, and we're going to add in a little bit of custom coding to help the overall look and feel of how those reviews appear on your KVCore site. So let me flip over the screen. Okay, so you're going to drop in your 5 reviews here. Under Web and IDX, you're going to go to website content, and you're going to manually go in and add those reviews. So you're going to put the name of the person that wrote it. You're going to copy and paste your review in here, and then you're going to add it. And then the next thing you're going to see is the number of stars for each review. So go in and add each of your reviews. And once that is complete, it should look like this. And then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your Web IDX website settings, and there on the Google sheet, you're going to have a bit of custom code. I want you to copy and paste that directly into your custom footer here. So here is the coding that will go right into your custom footer. You're just going to copy, and then you're going to normally you'll see Texas Real Estate Commission information about broker services. You just create a new line here, and then you just copy and paste that directly in here. Hit your save button, and then what that's going to do is on your website, it's going to allow your testimonials to automatically scroll every 5 seconds. So every 5 seconds you should see this this hop over to the next review, and it'll just cause a scrolling, and it'll also help to center in your review, your testimonials here. So it'll center in the stars, and then it'll put these on a 5 second timer here. So I hope that helps to look and improve the testimonial section, and I will see you on the next one. Hey guys, I'm back. Wanted to share with you next exactly how do you change the color scheme for your KVCore website. So this is one that had boggled my mind for a long time, and I'll show you how simple it is to change the color scheme to match your taste, match your style, or whatever it is you're going for. So let me do a quick share screen with you. Okay, so currently I have my KVCore site on purple, just to show you the example. All these colors here can be easily modified in your website settings here on KVCore. So if you go over here to, it's right under where you go to your website. You're gonna go to your website, and you're gonna go to your site settings. And right here under template theme, you go to template theme, and then you can go to custom, and then you can pick pretty much whatever color you want from right here. So if you want to go with like a EXP orange color, let's just take a look and see. Okay, so I just saved that, and then we'll hop back on the website, do a quick refresh, so you can see how easy this is to change the color of your website. Okay, so there you have it. Now we are EXP orange as our template. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You know, you can't change. You can change these colors here in these boxes. Well, I'll go through that with y'all later. But the main sections of the website here, you can easily go in and adjust those colors just by going to your KVCore template theme here. You can go to custom, and then adjust the color here, and you can save it, and there you go. So so if you have any questions, let me know. I'll be sharing with you some other customizations as we move along. I hope you've been enjoying the class so far. If there's any questions you have, please feel free to reach out, and be happy to help any way I can. See you soon. All right, we're back. So this next section is really important for search engine optimization. So what we're going to do in this next step is I'm going to take you through, we're going to add your KVCore site up to the Google Search Console. So it might sound difficult, but this is how, but it's very easy. This is how Google indexes your site, and when you add in all that new content that we're going to be working on in the future, you want Google to recognize as fast as possible. That way, the effort that you put in can actually be recognized, and if you're putting out good content, if you're doing some good blog writing, then you want your site to be automatically synced to Google Search Console. So first thing you want to do is let's do a quick share screen. Okay, so first thing you want to do is just go on a Google search and type in Google Search Console. Google Search Console, you're going to click here, and then you're going to go to Start Now. So we'll hit Start Now. And now I've already put my website in here, but I'm going to share with you exactly how you do this. Okay, so what you're going to do first is you're going to add property right here under, right here in the top left corner. You're going to go to Add Property, and you're going to use this box over here on the right. So you're going to take your KVCore domain name, whatever it is, HTTPS / I believe mine was johngiacobbe.exprealty.com. And then you're going to just hit continue. And ownership auto verified. So this one's already been verified, but what you're going to do is you're going to go to, there's going to be a tag. They're going to give you a tag that you're going to have to upload. Okay, so you're going to get the tag, you're going to copy it, and then on your since I've already verified mine, but what you're going to do is you're going to go to your KVCore settings, and then you're going to take the tag that you'll get off of Google Search Console, copy it exactly to the T, and then right under your website settings, you're going to upload this into your custom header. So you can see I've uploaded mine. I've just copied it, and then I paste it right here into the custom header under meta name, Google Site Verification Content. So once you do that, you'll be able to get your site verified, and then the final step, they're going to ask you to upload a sitemap. Okay, so what your sitemap is, it's going to be your, and they'll automatically have your URL in there. And then what you're going to do under sitemaps, okay, so this is back in Google Search Console. Under sitemaps, after you've verified, you're going to go to sitemaps, and then you're going to put in, they'll have your domain will already be in here. So enter your sitemap, and all it is you're going to add a sitemap.php, sitemap.php, then hit submit. And then you can see here, the sitemap is, I've already uploaded mine sitemap here. It was successful. And then what that's going to do is it's going to allow Google to automatically pick up any changes you make. So anytime you go in and add new pages onto your KVCore, since your sitemap is uploaded here, it's going to automatically, once a day or it's going to, Google's going to index any changes you make much faster by adding in your custom sitemap here. So all you have to do is just go to sitemaps after you verified your domain here, and then just add this right here, sitemap.php, and that's the general one for each KVCore site. So so hope that was useful. Go on and add that in, because once you start adding in customized content, you want it to be recognized by Google, so you can have a faster chance of ranking your pages on Google. That way you can start generating that organic traffic and getting leads using your KVCore site. We'll see you on the next one.